The Woods in May here. I'm so excited. We're going to be reviewing a Filippo Loreti watch, which I'm just stoked. We're going to be doing the unboxing, our initial thoughts. Now, this video is sponsored. They were gracious enough to send me a watch, but I'm going to give you an honest, unbiased review. One of the coolest things is actually my name is Filippo, so this is very fitting. I had to kind of take that up, and one of the biggest philosophies of this channel is, and if you can also live by this as well, is look good, feel good, and do good. And one of the biggest things is if you look good, you feel good, and you do good. So let's get right into the review. Okay, so to start off, I just want to make it clear that I am in no shape, way, or form a watch expert. I will potentially, grow into, I really appreciate watches. I don't know much about them. I'm more of, I'm looking at the price, see what I can afford, and this is one of the affordable watches, like I said, that Filippo was so gracious to send out, the company Filippo Loreti, and this is their Venice moonphase blue gold mesh. And I did do research, of course, on the specs, so we're going to go through that, but let's unbox this and let's see what we have. Okay, so we have the little pamphlet of Filippo Loreti, and let's see what this says. Alright, so welcome to the Filippo Loreti family. The timepiece you now own makes you part of the Filippo Loreti family. Family members care for one another, so if you ever have any questions regarding your timepiece or any part of your order, don't hesitate to email us. We hope you enjoy the admiration and compliments you're going to receive with your Filippo Loreti timepiece. Wear it proudly, and we're sure you're going to love it. And those are the owners down there, Danielis Jakutis and Mateus Jakutis. So that's pretty cool. Instructions. Let's see what this says. Adjusting, so you can adjust the moon phase, which is cool. This is a moon phase, so moon phase just means like it's going to tell you exactly when you're outside at night at what period the moon is at. So I'm going to look at that after. Adjusting the month and adjusting the time in week. I assume it's going to be pretty straightforward. There was a warranty, a 10-year international limited warranty. Warranty does not cover normal wear and aging. Okay, so there's that. Nice paper, by the way, like both of these. Pretty nice presentation. And then we have a Filippo Loreti cloth, which is nice. Pretty nice. Cool. And then it comes in this little box. So let's take this out and I'll show you. It's a black box. Pretty nice, not too large in size. And then we have on the side, if you can see right there, it says FilippoLoreti.com, and it has nothing else in the box. On both sides, Filippo Loreti, so that's pretty cool. So let's open this up. It looks like you just slide it. Cool. And then you have another just black box with the name Filippo Loreti. Really nice presentation, if you ask me. Also, it has the Filippo Loreti on the side. Filippo Loreti. All around, nice presentation. Really nice presentation. Been really cool unboxing experience thus far. And here is the watch. So you already see it's pretty shiny. And you can see the watch right here. It's nice. It actually has a little sticker, I can tell. So let's take that off. Let me know down below if you're liking this. By the way, be sure to like and also consider subscribing. I love taking off stickers. It's just a fun thing to do. Alright, so take that off. Stickers off. And there it is. So this, like I said, this is the Venice moonphase watch. You can get a good look at it, and we'll see how it looks, and we'll go over the specs in a second, but let's take it out. Hopefully it fits. I think it comes with some extra links, so that's good. It's always good. But I feel like I have an average size wrist, so I don't know. Let's just check the box just to be sure. So right now it looks very, very nice. I really am enjoying the experience, the boxing experience. I'm just making sure there's nothing. So here's the watch. Let's flip it this way. It's cool to see my name, I'm not gonna lie. So it says Filippo Loreti, but it's definitely cool. It feels really, really nice, and we'll go over what this material is in 1 second. I'm kind of sliding it off. Cool. And this little mesh, which I assume is like faux leather, which is good. I approve. Alright, so it has a little plastic thing here. I assume you can just, it just pops off. And then you have the side. And let's go over the watch details. So right away, I mean, you have, let's move this out of the way, sorry. Alright, so it's a 316L stainless steel case. Really nice. It's also has the case diameter is 40 millimeters. Its case thickness is 9 millimeters. Strap material, it's a stainless steel mesh. Feels really nice. The glass is sapphire crystal, and it's considered a water resistance at 50 meters. I don't think I would really be taking this into water. I don't know about you all, but I personally would not be taking this in the water. The movement is a Japanese Moyodo 6 POO. I think that's how you say it. Nothing too crazy on that from what I've researched. Again, I'm not an expert on watches, but from the research I said, it's nothing like too crazy there. Also has an anti-reflecting coating. It reduces glare, so you can see the watch under all lighting conditions. So let's test that out real quick. I mean, you see, just letting the light kind of shine on it, and it's doing a pretty good job. So like I said, case diameter is 40, case thickness is about 9 millimeters. So if you're like me, you're personally not gonna like something that's like too thick, and then also like nothing too crazy. I mean, obviously the colors are kind of flashy, but this is kind of fitting to my style. So it's quality. I mean, it feels really nice. It also has a sapphire crystal. It's the glass, it's highly scratch resistant, and it'll protect the watch, which is pretty cool. And this feels really durable, the stainless steel mesh. Very nice. Like I feel like you can wear this in most settings. It can be a fancy occasion or just hanging out, like a nice summer look. Honestly, anytime I'm gonna be wearing this, honestly. Very nice. So some cool things. This is Italian inspired. Let's see if I can actually take this off. So here's the back. Okay, so nice. Oh, you just for learning. Maybe I do need the instructions. Yeah. So you just kind of, here, let me just do it again. This kind of claps on, and then you clap it off, and you lift it up, and there you go. Here's the watch. Pretty nice. And then it has, let's see if we can get closer. Filippo Loreti. Pretty cool. It has the moonphase right down here, if you can see. And it's sapphire crystal. That's what it's prevent it from scratching. It's Italian inspired. And let's just look at the details real quick of the watch. So it has the date of the wheel, date of the month. It has the numbers, and then it has the month right here. Let's see if you can kind of see it. Sorry if it's not super clear, I'm trying to pay attention. And then it also has the whatever day it is, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then of course the hours are going around. No actual time there, so not bad though. I mean, I personally really am liking the look. I don't know if that would be a big thing if you want numbers on the side. And then it has this, which we'll have to look at the instructions, but I assume you can just adjust the settings through the side. So like I've said before, this is Italian inspired, and it's actually an edition. This is a limited edition. They only sell a certain amount of their watches, and I think I saw on the box might be number 4,000. Let's say on there, we'll have to see. But this is Italian inspired watch. Let's let it focus. Italian inspired, inspired by St. Mark's Basilica in Venice. I might have not said that right. And its iconic silhouette of it's a cathedral in Italy, which I really want to visit. So that'd be really cool one day to say I'd visit and maybe wear this watch. So let's flip it over. This is the cathedral. The back of every watch features an intricate engraving of the cathedral. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can get a better view like that maybe. Or yep. Filippo Loreti, Basilica de San Marco. I think that's what it says. So on the bottom, yep, it says version 4104. So like I said, these are limited editions. So very nice, clean look to it. Let's try to try it on. I am really liking the back of it. So I'm just gonna put it on. Watch is on there. Clap it on, and then there we go, double clapped. Cool. That's how it is. I think I can adjust the size. That's how it looks on my wrist. Pretty cool. Let me see if I can adjust it. I'll be right back. All in all, after unboxing it and the experience of seeing it and then seeing what the watch is made with, I think I have to give this a 5 out of 5. It's really nice, and then for the price, you can't beat it. Hopefully this has helped you, and let me know down in the comments if it has. I just like fashion. You know, I'm gonna keep growing and learning more about watches the more I can, and I'm blessed enough to get watches. I'll learn more. But just from the experience, the unboxing just was a really nice, pleasant experience. And I actually found out how to adjust the watch. So it was actually really easy. I just went to the website and it really told me. I can show you all, but here's the watch again. Let me just show you. You can kind of see it. This is how it looks on my wrist with the outfit. Let me just focus back. Let's see. But all in all, it's just really good. And if you do end up wanting to get one of the watches, I will have a personalized discount code down below, which should be able to give you 15%, which is pretty nice on top of the sale that they have currently. So that's pretty cool. I personally love it. And I think what's really cool and unique about the watch is that it kind of can go with anything. You know, you can be fancied up wearing a suit, or you can be casual. So look good, feel good, do good. You know, that's the philosophy. And if you agree on that, be sure to join the Discord. We also stream on Twitch. I'll definitely be wearing this watch on stream. So definitely come by and you can join the amazing community as we continue to grow. And if you're a gentleman that believes in that same philosophy and you want to continue to grow and become a better person with the help of others pushing you and motivating you, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's do it together. If you're a gentleman or a person that definitely agrees in that, can I get some looking goods down below? But that was really nice. I really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to set up the moon phase and set up all the details. It looks really clean on the outfit. Looks nice. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Let's go.